Unit 1. Language Basics. Lesson 2. Everyday Items. Vocabulary. Listen and repeat.
Hello.
Goodbye.
A sandwich. An egg. An apple. Bread. Coffee. Milk. A dog. A cat. A horse. A car. A newspaper. A bicycle.
A man and a woman. Rice and an apple. Bread and water.
The man is driving a car. The woman is driving a car. The boy is walking. The girl is walking.
He has books. She has a fish. They have pens.
He is sleeping.
She is sleeping. They are sleeping.
The cat is sleeping.
The child is running. The children are running. The adult is reading. The adults are reading.
The man is driving. The boy is not driving. The woman is driving. The girl is not driving. What is this? This is a cat. What is this? This is a bicycle.
Is he eating an apple? No. Is he eating an apple? Yes.
Lesson 2. Everyday Items. Speaking. Listen and repeat.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Hello.
Goodbye. He has a cat. She has a dog. They have a newspaper.
He has a car.
She has a fish. They have pens. He has books.
The man is driving. The boy is not driving. The woman is driving. The girl is not driving.
The boy has milk. The boy does not have milk. The girls have bicycles. The girls do not have bicycles.
What is this? This is an apple. What is this?
This is a newspaper.
What is this? This is a cat. What is this? This is a bicycle.
What is this? This is an egg.
What is this?
This is a pen.
Is she reading a newspaper? No. Is she reading a book? Yes.
Is he eating an apple? No. Is he eating an apple? Yes.
Lesson 2. Everyday items. Pronunciation. Listen and repeat.
A sandwich. Sand. Which. Sandwich.
A child.
A bicycle. Buy. Bicycle.
Cooking. King. Cooking.
Coffee. Cough. Fee. coffee,
children, chill, dren, children, an adult, 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 bread,
sleeping, sleeping, sleeping,
a newspaper, news, pay, per, newspaper,